Hey everyone, it's Candy at Big Moose Harley. I know you guys are all getting ready for road trip season. Let me give you some packing tips. Got your average Harley duffel bag right here, cute little number 1. All right, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the shoulder of your shirt and put it over to the other side of the neckline and fold your sleeve in whichever way it falls. Take the other side, fold it to that other side of the neckline again. Again, fold her up pretty small, then take it in thirds. Give yourself a nice little bundle right there. And then your sweatshirt doesn't take up but a little bit of room. Of course, I grab the biggest t-shirt I can to show you big guys it can be done. Again, you're just gonna pull it over your shoulder right over to the neckline and fold it nice and plain. Get it in that nice small packaging. Again, bring your shoulder over to the other side of the neck. And then you're just gonna fold in thirds, leave a little room at the top for folding. Another nice little bundle for you. Then I'm gonna give you the magic trick of the jeans. So with jeans, you don't want this big old mess in your way. What you're actually gonna do is, as my friend Cindy says, tuck your crotch in a little bit. Take those, these are a little bit more bigger. You fold them down in thirds. And then get that nice little fold right there. And then you are ready to go and take up much less room in your bags, and your bags will hold much more while you're out shopping in my store. If you need any more tips, come see me at Big Moose Harley. I've got your chap rolling down too. Have a great day, everyone.